Every picture tells a story, calling you to explore it. World with you, through the lens of Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG. The unique architectural style of Delhi's Red Fort provides a fusion of Islamic, Persian, Timurid and Hindu traditions. Chausak Khamba is a tomb built during 1623–24. It is located in Nizamuddin in New Delhi, India. The name means 64 pillars in Urdu and Hindi. It was built by Mirza Aziz Koka, son of Ataga Khan, as a mausoleum for himself at the time when Mughal Emperor Jahangir ruled from Delhi. The Masjid-i-Jahanum, commonly known as the Jama Masjid of Delhi, is one of the largest mosques in India. Picture perfect of Falai Darwaza and tomb of Imam Zameen in backdrop of Qutub Minar in Qutub Complex. One of the finest examples of Indo-Islamic architecture, Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minaret in the world with a height of 73 meters approximately. Quwwatul Islam Mosque was commissioned by Qutbuddin Aibak in Qutub Complex. It was the first mosque built in Delhi after the Islamic conquest of India and the oldest surviving example of Ghurid's architecture in Indian subcontinent. Scenic view of Iron Pillar from inside the Quwwatul Islam Mosque in Qutub Complex, Delhi. Excellent view of India Gate in New Delhi, where Republic Day Parade takes place every year on 26th January. This parade starts at Risina Hills near Rashtrapati Bhavan, President's House, and later passes by the India Gate. Empty canopy in front of the India Gate, architectural style of the Triumphal Arch, where once stood a statue of King George V. The beautifully lit South Block across North Block on the Risina Hill in front of Rashtrapati Bhavan, President House, in New Delhi is headquarters of the Government of India offices. Dazzling view of North Block situated on Risina Hill, New Delhi. The Secretariat building is one of the two blocks of symmetrical buildings, North Block and South Block, on opposite sides of the great axis of Rajpath, and flanking the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President's House. Lal Gumbad, also known as Rakabwala Gumbad, entombs Sheikh Kabiruddin Aulia, situated in Malviya Nagar, New Delhi. Historical Bijay Mandal Fort is typical Tughlaq structure with an octagonal plan built in rubble masonry on a raised platform in South Delhi. Magnificent view of Agrasen Ki Bawali is a 60-meter long and 15-meter wide historical step well near Konoita Place in New Delhi, and the location has been used to shoot scenes from various Bollywood films. The Grand Historical Monument Agrasen Ki Bawali is a 60-meter long and 15-meter wide historical step well built by legendary King Agrasen near Connaught Place, New Delhi. Adham Khan's tomb, also known as Bulbulaya, in Mehrauli, New Delhi, where visitors often loses their way amidst the several passages in the thickness of its wall of this 16th century tomb of Adham Khan, a general of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Isa Khan's tomb is situated near the site of the Mughal Emperor Humayun's tomb complex in Delhi. This octagonal tomb has distinct ornamentation in the form of canopies, glazed tiles and lattice screens. Calming view of Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, which is one of the most prominent Sikh Gurudwara in Delhi and known for its association with the 8th Sikh Guru, Guru Har Krishan. There is the pool inside its complex, known as the Sarovar. Splendid panoramic view of St. James Church, an Anglican church in Old Delhi built in 1836 by Colonel James Skinner. It is one of the oldest churches in the capital city. Akshardham or Swaminarayan Akshardham complex is a gigantic Hindu mandir and a spiritual cultural campus in New Delhi. Around 3,000 volunteers helped 7,000 artisans to construct the stunning temple. The complex features an Abhishek Mandap, Sahajanand water show, a thematic garden and 3 exhibitions. Purana Kila is one of the oldest forts in Delhi on a site which was perhaps that of Indraprasth, the legendary capital of the Pandavas. Main gate of Rashtrapati Bhavan, President's Palace, with Jaipur column in background in New Delhi, India. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the 340-room main building that has the President's official residence, including reception halls, guest rooms and offices, etc. Splendid view of Rajpath, constructed as and formerly named Kingsway during the period of the British Raj, is a ceremonial boulevard in New Delhi, India, that runs from Rashtrapati Bhavan on Risina Hill through Vijay Chowk and India Gate, National War Memorial, India, to National Stadium, Delhi. Spectacular dynamic lighting of the facade of North Block at Rajpath, New Delhi. The lighting has the potential to present an amazing 16 million color combinations. Life is a reflection of intent, a panoramic view of North and South Block at Risina Hill with its reflection in the water upside down. These blocks were made by Herbert Baker. The boys taking a dip to beat the heat in the extreme summer of Delhi near India Gate, Rajpath. Beautiful view of Parliament House having its reflection in the water with greenery around. The Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House, is the house of the Parliament of India, which contains the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha located in New Delhi. The splendor of Humayun's tomb becomes evident on entering the grandiose double-story gateway. High rubble walls enclose a square garden divided into 4 large squares separated by causeways and water channels. Statue of Prithviraj Chauhan in Kila Rai Pithora. He succeeded Someshwar Chauhan, who died in a battle in 1179 as the king and ruled from the twin capitals of Ajmer and Delhi. Upon becoming the king, he set out on several campaigns in order to expand his territories. The Humayun tomb site was chosen on the banks of Yamuna River due to its proximity to Nizamuddin Dargah in New Delhi, the mausoleum of the celebrated Sufi saint of Delhi, Nizamuddin Aulia, who was much revered by the rulers of Delhi. The Humayun tomb complex encompasses the main tomb of the Emperor Humayun, which houses the graves of Empress Bega Begum, Hamida Begum, and also Dara Shikoh, great-great-grandson of Humayun and son of the later Emperor Shah Jahan, as well as numerous other subsequent Mughals, including Emperor Jahandar Shah, Farrukhsiyar, Rafi ul Darjat, Rafi ud Daulat, Muhammad Kam Baksh, and Alamgir II. Stunning sunset view of Iron Pillar at Qutub Complex, New Delhi, India. Jantar Mantar is located in the modern city of New Delhi. It consists of 13 architectural astronomy instruments to predict the times and movements of the sun, moon and planets. The site is one of 5 built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. India Gate, National War Memorial, India, to National Stadium, Delhi. The avenue is lined on both sides by huge lawns, canals and rows of trees. It is considered to be one of the most important roads in India.